you're experiencing repeated payment declines on your Google account, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Update billing information. If your payment method has expired or changed, update your billing information. Go to the payment methods section, select the payment option you want to update, and enter the new information. Step 3. Clear account issues. Sometimes, account issues can lead to payment declines. Check for any notifications or alerts in your Google account that may indicate a problem. Resolve any issues as instructed. Step 4. Contact your bank. If your payment method is valid and updated, contact your bank or card issuer. They may have declined the transaction for security reasons or due to insufficient funds. Step 5. Try a different payment method. If the issue persists, consider using a different payment method. Add an alternative credit card, debit card, or payment service to your Google account and attempt the transaction again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve repeated payment declines on your Google account. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to Google support for further assistance.